हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम देखेंगे बोर्स पॉस्टुलेट एंड यूजिंग बोर्स पॉस्टुलेट द प्रूफ ऑफ रेडियस ऑफ बोर ऑर्बिट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू स्क्वायर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर which is n. So Bohr has given three postulates. The number first is, let us consider a Bohr orbit let us consider this is an atom, an hydrogen atom. This is an hydrogen atom. This is the nucleus, and here we have a radius r and one electron which is revolving around the nucleus of positively charged. Now when the electrons is revolving around the nucleus, one force is acting towards the center, and that is what? Centripetal force. And electron is moving with tangential velocity, which is v. So as per Bohr's first postulate, what he said, electron in an atom could revolve in a stable orbit without emission of any radiant energy. Is this clear? So according to the first postulate, electron will revolve only in those orbit whose centripetal force is balanced by electrostatic force. Electrostatic force of attraction between the electron and the positively nucleus. So as per the centripetal force, the formula is mv square by r is equal to electrostatic force of attraction is k q1 q2. So here it is E is the charge of nucleus and E is the charge of electron. So q E square by r square. This is first postulate, Bohr's first postulate. Now let's talk about Bohr's second postulate. It states that electrons revolve around the nucleus only in those orbits whose angular momentum which is L, and angular momentum we know the formula mvr is equal to integral multiple, which is n h upon 2 pi, integral multiple of h upon 2 pi, where h is Planck's constant, and whose value is 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule into second. This is the value of Planck constant. So this is all about Bohr's second postulate. As per Bohr's third postulate, when an electron makes a transition from one energy level to the next energy level, it emits a photon energy, and that is given by higher orbit energy to the lower orbit energy is equal to photon energy. And photon energy is given by equation h nu, where nu is frequency of the light, and this could be a emitted frequency or you can say a absorbed frequency. And also we can write h nu can be written as c by lambda. So energy of higher orbit minus energy of lower orbit gives you a equation hc by lambda. This is Bohr's third postulate. Now we will prove radius of Bohr orbit is directly proportional to square of the principal quantum number. For that, let's take Bohr's first postulate. First postulate is centripetal force, which is mv square by r, is equal to k E square upon r square. So here r get cancelled, so v square can be written as ke square upon m into r. This is equation number 1. Now as per Bohr's second postulate, mvr, which is angular momentum, is equal to nh upon 2 pi, where I can write v is equal to nh upon mv, not nh upon m r 2 pi, squaring both the side. So we will get a equation v square is equal to n square h square upon m square r square 4 pi square. This is equation number 2. If we compare equation 1 and 2, so we will find v square and v square are same. So as a result, I can write ke square upon mr will be equal to n square h square upon m square r square 4 pi square. So here I can say that 1m get cancelled, 1r get cancelled. So your final answer is ke square is equal to n square h square upon mr 4 pi square. Now what I can do? I can transfer r to the left hand side. तो r को हम इस साइड भेज देते हैं एंड के ई स्क्वायर को हम नीचे भेज देते हैं. सो हमारा इक्वेशन हो जाएगा r इज इक्वल टू n स्क्वायर h स्क्वायर अपॉन के ई स्क्वायर m 4 पाई स्क्वायर. अगर हम इस ब्रैकेट वाले टर्म को ध्यान से ऑब्जर्व करें, सो h इज़ कांस्टेंट, प्लैंक्स कांस्टेंट, k इज़ ऑल्सो कांस्टेंट विच इज़ 1/4 पे एप्सिलॉन नॉट, जिसकी वैल्यू होती है 9 × 10⁹. E चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, m mass of electron, 4 is a constant, pi is a constant. If we substitute the value, so we will get r is equal to 1 constant into n square. So this constant can be written as what? h square upon ke square m 4 pi square. अगर हम सब की वैल्यू पुट कर दें, सो h की वैल्यू इज़ 6.63 into 10⁻³ जूल सेकेंड. k का वैल्यू इज़ 9 into 10⁹, विच इज़ 1/4 पे एप्सिलॉन नॉट, जिसकी वैल्यू होती है. m mass of electron is 9.1 into 10⁻31 kg. Pi का वैल्यू is 3.142, and if we substitute all the value in this equation, we will get k का value, the constant का value is 0.53 angstrom. So as a result, I can write this equation 3 as r is equal to 0.53 angstrom into n square. So हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि r is directly proportional to n square, where r is the radius of the Bohr orbit and n is the principal quantum number. Thanks for watching.